MK2 door, taking the door lock off and the door barrel. Sorry it's late, just we've been rather busy at the back cave. So you take the membrane off, okay, you've got 1, 2 bolts to undo first, which I'll do with a 10mm. Okay, two 10mm removed. And remove this out of the way. Now it might be stuck, so just give it a bit of a pull, get it out of the way. Okay, and then if you look inside here now, you'll see the bar adjuster there, and the other one there that we need to take off. So flip that one off like so. Pull it out. Yep. And then the other one, what I found is the easiest way to get into this one is to take this grommet out. And pop it from here. Which releases that, which then if you look, you have to come this way, Spud. You should be able to see the 10mm bolt just past that bar. Just move that. Inside there, see the 10mm?
No, I won't get it.
There, that 10mm bolt, yeah. See it? You got to crack that one. Watch your door angle because it will fall straight out. Your angle out like so, and you want to remove the barrel. So here's our barrel here, so we just want to take the 2 bars out, so it's out of the way, take the bar out that way, so it's out of the way, and then you should be able to take the barrel out like so. And it's just, everything just goes back the way you're taking it out. End of video.